Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today, I teach you friction. So, first things our mind comes. What is friction? Friction is good for something and bad for a speed. Both are depend on each of. If a driver, suppose if a driver taken a vehicle move fast forward on road, then his speed is more. Then if need of slower, yes, slowing down his vehicle, then requirement of applied brake. So such types of phenomena are happen because apply the brake if the surface in not friction, when applied the brake, that times the vehicle is skid in that speed. So requirement of friction to stop the vehicle. In previous chapter, study motion, that is in uniform motion, non-uniform motion. So in this chapter, friction say to opposes the motion, that is called friction. Always opposes the motion, that is called friction. Means oppose the motion. If the vehicle is a skid, because such types of, because roughness on the surface is not present, so our vehicle is a skid. If roughness of that surface is present, then friction is applied. If you think a football or a person move forward direction on a smooth surface where no friction is here, in that places if push or pull force applied on that person, that is not a stop anywhere. Why? What reason? That is the reason of because no opposite of that forces that motion, so that is move in that direction. So if any motion, if any speed, a stopping of that speed, that motion, that is requirement of friction. If slow down any vehicle, requirement of friction. If a force, then apply the brake, then that is a skid, and that speed through that vehicle is moving because no opposite of that forces. So in on the road you watching the pitches and grapes, mortars into mortar in roughness are present, because not roughness, then vehicle is not a stop, not his speed is slow down. So requirement of these types of friction is needs, and his tire is that shapes are zigzag type shapes because needs of friction. Friction is cause of opposes the motion. If more friction, then your speed is very slow. So that is the combination of these things to our speed is maintained, our brake is maintained, and that speed control, that is the needs of friction. Slower and faster depends on contact on surface. Friction always apply the opposite the motion. If force applied in left hand side, then friction applied in right hand side, because that types of force applies in this types, friction applies this time. That is friction, that is force. Always opposite direction of friction is applied on the contact surface. If no friction on the surface, then I cannot walk. If oily surface, then you skid on that surface because less friction is present here. So roughness are necessary on our surface. Without roughness I cannot walk. So roughness is need of for walking. If a smooth surface, you are skidding and one place to another places because no object or opposes your force. So friction is necessary in booster needs for stopping a speed, and it is non-stopping speed for less friction. Okay, thank you.